guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a beautiful succulent terrarium planter. I'm going to be starting off with these stones, these little white rocks, and going to put these in the bottom of the planter. I'm going to take one of Dollar Tree's larger succulented pots and just going to pop the succulent out of the pot. Now I'm going to take some wire cutters, aka dog nail clippers from the Dollar Tree, and just trim off the little succulent stem. Now I'm going to be taking some jute twine, also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to wrap this around several times to make a thicker nautical rope so you can hang this up or set it down anywhere.